coffee. But it's real fun to have this coffee with some sandwiches. Let's make a cheesy mayo sandwich. So cheesy, so creamy. We'll surely like it. And then we will have this coffee with those sandwiches. Let's. For the cabbage mayo sandwich, we will need slices of brown bread, finely chopped cabbage, finely chopped capsicum, cheese, mayonnaise, chili flakes and oregano. Now in this mayonnaise we will be adding the cabbage. We will mix and we will see whether we need more cabbage or no. At the same time I add my capsicum. You can also add to this the onions, or you can add even carrots, corns. This will be a complete meal and a very healthy version of a sandwich. So here I mix my ingredients. I've just taken 2 veggies. You can add varieties in it. You can even add chicken in it in case if you eat non-veg. I have added some chili flakes to it, and now I am adding oregano. You can even add black pepper powder. And our stuffing is almost ready. Just mix it well. Now I take my sliced bread. You can cut the edges, but it's okay if you don't cut it. It hardly makes any difference because as it is we are going to toast it. So here I keep my stuffing in it. And now we spread some cheese on it. Everywhere. And we keep another slice of bread. You can even add butter to the slice if you desire. And now we are going to fry it, shallow fry this, or you can say toast this sandwich. Now we take some butter and we spread it on this slice of bread. And now we will take this bread and we will fry it. I mean to say we will make a toast of it. Once our side is nicely fried, we will flip the sandwich and we will toast it from both the sides. And it is ready to be served. So easy way of making a sandwich. It's so hard for us to eat this cabbage, raw cabbage especially. But it becomes so easy to eat raw veggies if you make it like this. The sandwich you can see is nicely toasted from both the ends. Now we will make few more such sandwiches and we will be cutting it from the middle. So guys, look, our cheesy mayo sandwich is ready, full of cabbage, capsicum, cream, cheese and mayonnaise. Amazing! And it's so easy to make it with such a limited ingredients. I'm very sure you have liked my recipe. In case if you have liked my recipe, please hit the like button, share and subscribe.